Hi, I'm Lisa from Crewbooking. And in this video, I will give you a little tip about the booking process if you're a crew member. While Crewbooking is your professional calendar to manage your bookings and personal events, did you know that the jobs and missions obtained through Crewbooking are not the only ones you can manage on the platform? Indeed, even an external job can be managed through Crewbooking. Let me show you how it works. From your booking page, click on the plus icon to add an event to your calendar. Note that you can learn more in depth how to use the calendar and create a booking in another video. When you add a professional event to your calendar, as a crew member, you have to tag a booker. Your previous bookers will be displayed here so you can easily select them. If it's a new booker, you can simply search him by name if he already has an account on Crewbooking. If not, that's not an issue. By clicking on Add a New Contact, you can send him a mail notification about your booking request. The booker will then have the opportunity to create his own account on Crewbooking, but it's not mandatory for viewing and accepting your booking request. He can validate or decline the request and possibly ask for changes. In that case, you can edit your request and resubmit it. So, even if your employer is not registered on Crewbooking, you can still tag him when creating a booking process. It means that, as a crew member, you too can initiate the booking. So don't wait for your employer to make the first move on Crewbooking. Thanks for watching. See you in another video for more tips on how to use Crewbooking.